Ready to dive into the exciting, yet complex, world of creating your own cryptocurrency token? First, let's clarify something crucial. You can't actually make Ethereum itself, but you can create a token on the Ethereum blockchain, a process also known as token development. This involves several key steps, starting with smart contract development, where you define the rules of your token using a programming language like Solidity, which will govern your token's functionality, total supply, and more. You'll need to choose a development environment, such as Remixite for beginners or more advanced frameworks like Truffle or Hardit, to write, compile, and test your smart contract, catching potential errors before deployment. Next is deployment. Deploying your smart contract to the Ethereum blockchain, which requires Ether, the Ethereum network's native cryptocurrency, to pay for the gas fees associated with writing your contract to the blockchain. Finally, it's time to market your token. This includes creating a website, engaging with potential investors and users on social media platforms like Twitter and Telegram, and even listing your token on cryptocurrency exchanges. Remember, building a successful token project requires technical expertise, resources for security audits, and a solid marketing strategy, so do your research, plan carefully, and good luck building your token.